Hi, in this video today we're going to show you how to remove the oven door glass panes on a Bosch oven. So you're going to be opening up the door. We've already done a video on how to remove the actual door itself from the hinges here. On this one we're going to be removing this glass here, and it will give you access then to clean not only this glass but also the inside of this glass as well. This oven is brand new and it's already a very tricky job, so if this was all caked in grease it would be even harder, but we're going to show you how to do it, and then at least you have an idea about how to do it if you're going to try to tackle this job yourself. So there's a little bit here that needs to be pushed in. You can see it's clipped in here, so if we were to push in here this moves, so you need to push in this and this whole section will lift up, and also on this side here you need to push it in here and then this will lift up. Once this lifts off you can then remove the pane carefully. It's held in here and here. So we're going to try to do it now on camera. There you go, so you can see now that that's moved away from that bit here. Now we're going to do the same on this side. And now this top section will lift off and it will give you access to lifting the pane out. Just be careful because there's a bit of metal here and also the other side, so if you lift it up and then it should ease out from here. Now if you were to read the instructions, they tell you to actually take the door off when you do this because it will make it easier to work, but just for the purpose of the video we're just doing this with the door in situ. There, so you now see that you have access to clean here and also that as well. Now I didn't show it in this video, but we did show it in another video where we took the actual door off. We've just taken off this pane of glass, but there's also another clear one underneath this, and then you have the oven door glass itself. So I'm just showing you that in this one here. So it gives you access to clean all the insides of these other bits. Now when it comes to fitting it back in, we want to locate this bit here and this bit here into these bits. You can see that they've got little bits of rubbery plastic there and they need to go fully down. But before you drop it into place, just make sure that you've cleared from this bit of metal and also that bit of metal there. You need to have a few mil just here and just here, and then that will sit back into place. And then the top cover will go on with this rounded bit, the kind of bevel bit on this side here. You can always take a picture before you take your one apart so you know how to put it back together. And you can see that's been located in there, and now that's going to get clipped in there. And you will hear the plastic clip back into place, and that is it. And that is how to get access to that. Really useful for cleaning. Thanks for watching.